Hey, today let's discuss how you can explore and copy paste files from your Linux distribution partition into Windows. So achieve that, as you can see here, I'm using a little tool called X2FSD that allows you to mount your Linux partition here. For example, I will assign a Windows letter, for example, F. And here, as you see, a new F drive appears that contains my Linux distribution. So I can easily access my Linux files, for example, here. And I can grab them into my Windows system. So to install this tool, you have to download it from sourceforge.net/projects/xt2fsd. Click on download. Then after download, you can just execute xt2fsd here. Yes, and go through the installation. And you don't have here. So now you can launch it. So here you will see all the current available distribution on your machine, depending on your drives and the partitions of your drives. So here, as you can see, I got this xt4 here for Linux, which is a Linux format of a file system. Here. So as you saw, you just assign the letter. So basically it assigns the first variable, which is F in my case. And then you go to your system and you will be able to access it directly as I showed you before. So that's it for today. It was a pretty quick one. I hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up and see you in the next one.